Wire. Sorry about that, man. Damn it. God dang. Oh, I guess I'm gonna get a little feedback. Live Wire, if you still there. John Denver's rocking on. Yeah, 10 Roger on that. Well, it's just my side. Hey, Live Wire, it's just my side, no doubt about it, man. I was just getting a little feedback because I got this little talk back here, and that puts it through my camera so you can hear what I'm saying on the video gate when you listen to yourself, no doubt about it. Mr. Live Wire, why you out there around the Razorback? Now I got a video gate of you. Take care. Shoot, I'm going to go get me a Dr. Pepper, maybe. Kick back for a little while. Live Wire, everybody else out there who hears this worldwide radio, John Denver, King of California. With all them boys down there in my duck plugging dungeon, Live Wire, it's time to pull the dunce caps out. Uh-oh, wind just blew the door down. Gotta go, Live Wire, John Denver's gone. Hey, 10 Roger on that there, Live Wire. 2K ski down, cut your radio slap off, man. Hey, 2Ks, it didn't take long. Only took me about 8 minutes to find all the stuff. Then just plug the camera in. That's all I needed to do. Looked like you pushed me on to get it done instead of sit around here and drink Dr. Pepper. Hello to you, 2Ks. Why you on that driver? Cut that kind of big a Live Wire slap off. On this video gate, John Denver's gone. Hey, John Denver. Drive I got. This little cat making driver. Boy, this cat making things on the west side. John, 2Ks on the driver, goddamn. Hey, 10 Roger on that, 2Ks. Hey, 2Ks, Live Wire keyed down, went, John Denver, he keyed up. 10 Roger, John. 10 Roger, John. I'm just on the driver, I'm just on the driver. Well, that kind of big and driver's working for you. Your name is on this video gate. What day is this? Monday? This is Drop Them On Mondays, got bigger. Hey, 2Ks in the mag. This is Drop Them On Mondays. John Denver is gone. Well, it's working for you. It's doing real good on the video gate. You're gonna like it when you see it. Shoot, I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to post it, but I'll get it done. Got some problems going on with my laptop. I think I need to order me a new hard drive and reformat it. Sometimes it freezes, and I know it ain't the OS now. I'm gonna have to get me a new one. It's been spinning for a while. 2Ks, you take care and take them easy. I'm gonna get back out of here, man. Give me some ice. Hell, I might even take some of this Jack Daniels and throw some Dr. Pepper and some Jack Daniels. Have me a Jack and Coke. 2Ks in the mag and all the good time gang. The San Diego Rocky Mountain High. Mr. John Denver, the King of California, when all the boys are down in my dungeon with dunce caps on. I'm rocking on.
Plan 5-9. When you hear them in there, till that kind of making my package done come in. And John, you tell Trooper 2 you hear me that my package done come in, and that means 4 or 5 more bushels. 4 or 5 more bushels, maybe put on that carburetor. 10-4.
Oh, hell yeah, kind of bigger boy, you can get that, man. That boys are going to be pissed off at you. Hey, 2Ks, when you get that goddamn fucking package unpackaged and hooked up, them kind of big boys out there around the mag are going to be damn pissed off. 2Ks, take care. I'm going to get me some Dr. Pepper. Video gates rolling. John Denver said, I will tell old 222, but he ain't out there right now. He went to bed, man. We talked to him earlier this morning on his new 29 classic edition or whatever, the new ones with the digital. I got one of those in my war wagon. Take care, man. 2Ks, I'll be right back. I gotta get my phone, make sure the guy that's working on my car didn't call me. 2Ks in the mag. Live wire, I did hear some of that too. You better watch out for that, gotten bigger already, 2Ks. Live wire was loud, I'm gone.
It's on the way. I'll be here in about 2 weeks. Or whatever is wild, you better watch out. Hey, John, 2Ks is gone.
410 about him, better watch on out. Ain't live wire, you better watch out. Kind of big a 2Ks in about 2 weeks. You guys are going to be mud ducks down in the dungeon with pink dunce caps on. I ain't doing nothing over here, man. But I want to see if Big Phil want to get some of this, but he probably out sleeping, taking a nap on that end, man. He was over here drinking whiskey. Hey, 2Ks, old Big Phil was over here in the patio control this morning drinking whiskey at 9 o'clock in the morning. He probably sleeping. Take care, 2Ks. The video game's still rolling. I'm going to get me a Dr. Pepper, and I'm gone.
Hey, John. Sorry, John. Sorry, John. Sorry, okay. All right, John, go ahead and what you got to do. But you know how it is when I put my big boxing lines. Hey, John, you know how it is when I put my big boxing lines. I'm trying to make it seem it disappears. It's going to be trouble when I put my bigger boxing lines. Go ahead and what you got to do. I'm up and gone. Bye-bye-bye.
Now you kidding, Roger, on that there, 2Ks? I got it all when you said it all. Hey, I might be testing out a few boxes over here. Getaway Driver's building about 4 different boxes. And we're going to bring them up to my town, test them out, and sell them. He's going to have about 4 of them for sale, so if you know anybody looking, let me know. Because there's going to be some really nice Getaway Driver hammers out there real soon. I'll probably test one over here, even though I got bunches of them in the mobile, but I'll sit one over here and put one in the patio and test it out. Take care, 2Ks. I'm going to get me some ice. Won't take long. But the video game's still rolling. John Denver, King of California, and I'm gone.
By the key. Yeah, I think whatever you got there, I might be getting in there with me a little bit. And loose one might be getting in there with me just a little bit, so I guarantee I'll loose that cabinet up just a little bit because you do just a little bit more swing on that end. Take care, John. I'm sitting back in Trinity and trying to do my thing with this little old big driver. John, I'm gone. Good job, be on that around here. There you go. Thanks, Raj. Running with a small record boards out of here, man. Oh, White Islands. Just Road Bodine, 172. Hello, Motor Mouth Maul. Motor Mouth Maul. Hello, my friend, Motor Mouth Maul. Line one. Hey, Motor Mouth Maul, 765. Hey, Motor Mouth Maul, you're stranded in Arkansas. Hey, Motor Mouth Maul, live wire with the wave. Hello. Hey, Motor Mouth Maul. Hey, Motor I'll be tickled there. You'll make me happy for the day. Hey, Motor Mouth Maul, Lyle Bill around Tennessee, around Nashville 10, just say.
What the hell, man? Shot at Jack Daniels, shot at Captain Morgan's, and about, I don't know, 20 ounces of Coca-Cola. That ought to do pretty darn good. John Denver, live wire. I still got the video gate rolling. I heard you call that Muddy Mouth Mud Duck and Motor Mouth Mud Duck. Now he be down in my dungeon, not wearing a pink dunce cap. He's gonna wear a dark green dunce cap. And he ain't gonna watch no RuPaul's Drag You. He's gonna be down there watching 16 and Pregnant. Live wire, old John Denver's gone. Damn, that was some rough stuff. Hey, Livewire, I heard most of that, man, but man, that was some rough stuff on that cat making in. Man. Well, anyway, Livewire, take care. I'm still running this God Big video gate. You guys are smoking up in it, man. Got my needle convent almost buried. John Denver, the San Diego Rocky Mountain High. I will see all those mud runners in the sky. When they try to key, all you will hear is me. Rocky Mountain High, they're in my dungeon. Rocky Mountain High, watching 16 and Pregnant. Live wire, take care. John Denver is gone.
You got me laughing now, I can't even get up. Hey, John Denver, you got me laughing now, I can't even get up. John Denver, you King of Cali out here. The real king. I don't wear no cardboard, ma'am. I'm talking about this a real king of Cali.
I gotta go find my cardboard crown. Hey, Livewire, man. I'll be back. I gotta go find my cardboard crown I got from Burger King about a couple months ago. I took old John Denver Jr. over to Burger King. Boy, I saw that cardboard crown. Boy, I just had to have that thing. That way when I sit here in the patio controller in my mobile, I got my crown on. Livewire, I'm gone.
Hey, John Denver, Triple California. No, John Denver. Oh, no, I can see
my drink, no way, man. Hey, Livewire, not me. Nope, I don't want to spill my drink. Now when I got a nice Coca-Cola, I don't drink much Coca-Cola or Dr. Pepper anymore. I used to. But every once in a while, occasionally I'll drink one. Now lately, when I do have the occasional Dr. Pepper, now it's like I gotta put some alcohol in it to make it worth my while. Hey, Livewire, take care. John Denver's gone.
Come on down on the dock of the bay. Over here. Hey, farmer, come on down.
Hey, 2Ks, it's rough and tough, man. They got big a cheeseburger out there talking to Farmer John. Hey, cheeseburger, tell that guy big and Farmer John to get back out there and dig a hole out in his backyard, dig a 2-foot hole and stick his head in it like an ostrich. And when I'm done talking, maybe he can come back out. Hey, cheeseburger, tell that guy big and muddy mouth Farmer John to get back in the back farm, dig a 2-foot hole and stick his head in it like an ostrich. And when I'm done talking, he can come back out there. But he better cross his fingers and close his eyes, then I ain't out here dropping the Maul on him. Cheeseburger, I'm getting on down. John Denver's gone. No way. Hey, Livewire. Sitting on the dock of the bay, slobbering in the mic all day. John Denver's got that Maul down, but I'm still out here slobbering the mic, wasting time. That's what them duck pluckers be doing. They sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time, slobbering the mic. John Denver, King of California's gone.
That Rocky Mountain High.
The San Diego Rocky Mountain High. I'll see all those mud ducks in the sky. When they try to key, all Running Bear will hear is me. Rocky Mountain High in Running Bear's radio. What's going on, Running Bear? Old John Denver's waving right back. He's out of my dungeon. Hey, Wild Bill. He's down in my dungeon with a pink dunce cap on, watching reruns of 16 and Pregnant. Hey, Wild Bill, 709 up there around the northwest corner, man. But he's out down in my dungeon right now with a pink dunce cap on, watching reruns of 16 and Pregnant their break.
Mother Nature is gone. 357 New Jersey on this mail.
No, it ain't gone. 8357, it ain't gone. It's just hell out there, man. Hey, 357, it ain't gone. It's just hell out there, man. A lot of people. Oh, to you, 357 up there around New Jersey. John, Denver, down here around San Diego with the cardboard crown on. And the gates are open for all the duck-plucking mud ducks. I'll stick them down in my dungeon so they can watch reruns of 16 and Pregnant. Hello to you there, 357 up there around New Jersey. John, Denver, King of California is getting right back.
Bye, John Dimmer, Capital One, Little Rock 10-7.
Hello to you, Capital One. Boy, you jumped in my radio like Jack in the Box, man. I was out there trying to call 357 up there around New Jersey, but, boy, you keyed up around Little Rock, Arkansas, man. Jumped in my radio. Hello to you, Capital One. John Denver over here playing with my video gates. Come on. Damn, hey, Capital One, I kind of lost in there, man. Hey, Capital One, man, if you in there, man, I kind of lost you. I mean, it is rough out there. I mean, my meter's at 30 dB when I unkey this microphone. Live wire in there just, man, he's just tearing you boys up. The old cheeseburger in there tearing live wire up. I don't know what happened to 357 around New Jersey. But I'll tell you what got bigger. You guys got some hammers out here. Capital One, if you still got a sloppy copy. John Denver, over here in the patio control, gonna try to read the mail. Come on down. Yeah, I knew what it was, man. I got the video gate rolling right now, bad boy. I set it up, man. 2Ks was talking about it, asked if I had a video gate rolling on. I told him, no. I got to find some stuff and figure it out, and I just never did it. It was kind of lazy. So he kind of made me do it, so I said, oh, what the hell. Wouldn't take long, only took me 8 minutes. Hello to you, bad boy, the voice of Tennessee. John Denver, the voice of California. Well, all these boys down here in my dungeon watching reruns of Gossip Girl. I'm kicking back in the patio control and I'm rocking this mail. Bad boy, come on. On that. Boy, you out there, you say you in lip chopping mode looking for Ridge Runner. You in lip chopping mode looking for that cod-picking Ridge Runner. Boy, oh boy, you an old Ridge Runner. I haven't heard him in a while, man. I talked to him down on the bowl a couple weeks back, but he probably been busy with the holidays. Hello to you, bad boy. Why you out there looking for Ridge Runner? he ain't out there right now. Old Cheeseburger out there tearing everybody up, man. But I heard you on top. Bad boy, take care. I'm gonna read this raggedy mail, and I got the video game rolling. I'm gone. Who's trying to get in my radio? Who's trying to get in my radio? If T-Bone's out there, I'm going to jump in the mobile and cut his radio off.
Some eyes, ain't no doubt about it. Hey, John Deere, you... Kind of getting on down, and I'm blacking some eyes. Black eye, black eye. Radio check. This still ain't this old homemade ground.
Yeah, I hear you out there around Mississippi, man. I'm just seeing if somebody said they heard something about T-Bone, man. I'm going to see if he's out there. If he's out there, I'm going to jump in the mobile and cut his radio off. Oh, okay, all right. I guess I was misinformed then, yeah. You said they call you T-Bone, okay. Yeah, 'cause they got one guy out here, man. He's been having problems with old John Denver. He can't whoop on me. So he's been trying to get up on me, but I wouldn't be able to get him in the patio. I'd have to jump out there in the mobile and cut his radio off. But anyway, I'm going to sit back. I'm going to drink my fucking Coke and Jack and Coke and a little bit of Captain Morgan's. I'm standing up like the captain. John Denver is gone.
Hey, John Denver.
As hell out there, man. Oh man, it's still rough as hell. I'm gonna sit back and read the mail. I still got the video game rolling. I'm rocking on. You're tearing them up, cotton picker. Hey, Cheeseburger, you tearing their asses up, man. Old Runnemere was out there, but I only heard him when you wasn't on the key. And half the boys out there that are calling my name, I can't hear because you got that kind of big and John Denver choke chain over there around the bluegrass. Hello to you, Cheeseburger. John Denver over here in the patio control in San Diego, Cal, and I'm gone. Playing in the bluegrass. Hey, John Denver, take care. I'll meet you.
And then it's the world of sound. Tell them go ahead, they got the green light. Oh, buzzer, man, to go.
Garage on that there, Cheeseburger. You said to tell them boys that the green light's on. Don't hate the game, hate the antenna. Well, you got that homemade ground playing with that cat big and Maul down. Well, it was that time, that last time around, man. Boy, it was blown up. Channel 28 is definitely blown up. John Denver over here in the patio control. I'm going to read the mail and I'm gone. You want me to say don't hate the something, hate the something. Boy, it's rough. Boy, when I get off at this mall, man, everybody keys up at one time. Hey, Livewire, boy, when I get off this hammer, everybody done keys up, just goes down a mall. Hello to you one more time, Mr. Livewire. John Denver said, I'm trying to get some of that, but man, it's rough. I'm rocking this mail. It was real rough. All I heard was a bunch of noise, and I heard this. Bad boy, bad boy, bad boy, bad boy gone. Boy, and he keyed up and cut you guys off. Bad boy, quit being so mean. I'm gone.
Let me cut him off. Let me cut old bad. My duck in the wall. 142. I just go way back. Music City said that.
What's going on down there around Music City, Doorknob? Yeah, I heard you on the 142 when old Big Phil was over here, man. It just was rough. We didn't have a lot of conditions, though. You guys were hitting me at 5. Now you guys hit me at 35. Hello to you, Doorknob, Smoky Hills, Music City, USA. John Denver, King of California, America's finest city, USA. With the video gator rolling, I'm rocking this mail.
System now. All right, that's 4 fingers and a thumb. You have a good one out there, my friend. You blasting like always. 73 to you. Doorknob. Old Doorknob down here in Music City said that. I'm gone. Couple of
Hey, right back to you there, Doorknob. Don't pay no strain, Ken Bigger. I got you on a video gate now. I set it up over here on the patio again. It's been a long time since I've done any video gating. I got a fucking 34-minute gate I'm going to have to fix up and post it. Doorknob, Smoky Hills. Got big and #1 radio, sounding real good. How's my radio, man? I just got this fixed up the other day. Friend of mine, buddy of mine, man, one of these 1969 old finals, man, went out on this old Taiwan 148. So I went ahead and got a 50-watt monitor and put an IRF 520 in it. Doorknob, Smoky Hills. John Denver, rocking this mail on 21 MOSFETs.
Smoky Hills, Tennessee, out in the woods. Said that I'm gone. Back on John Denver. And no Roger, no get back on John Denver at 12. Hey, John Denver.
10 Roger on that doorknob, boy, them boys. Damn, you got off that hammer, man. There's like 5 people call me. No get back John Denver, no get back John Denver at 12 somebody. Somebody keyed up again, said no give back John Denver. Doorknob, you said you're going to get out of here and kept me a little bit later. It's like a dogfight out there. You know what a dogfight is? Hey, Doorknob. It's like a fucking dogfight over the skip land. But when you key that Maul down, I get it all when you say it all. Take care around the Smoky Hills of Tennessee. John Denver, King of California, on these 21 MOSFETs. I'm gone.
Hey, John Denver, I think
Hey, 10 Roger on that, man. Well, I didn't hear none of that bad boy jumping up in your radio there. In my radio. Talking about what does Doorknob look like now. Don't play with that duck plucker. Hey, bad boy. Do not play with Doorknob. John Denver's gone.
Hey, John Denver, Doorknob's just a friend of a friend of a friend, man. Hello, bad boy. I keyed up a while ago. Doorknob gone.
Hey, 10 Roger on that there, bad boy. I heard you in there, man. You said old Doorknob's a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend. Damn. Boy, that is a domino effect, I would think. Well, you got off that Maul, he said, I'm waving right back. He said to tell old, old bad boy, that old Doorknob said hello. But I only heard it when you got off the Maul. Bad boy, voice of Tennessee. John Denver, King of California, on my 21 MOSFETs. I'm gone.
Hold on, Denver. I appreciate you rolling that nickel. You know who it is. I'm going to get out the road for a minute, man. Let this thing cool off. Bad boy on this John boy. I'll see you. I'm gone now.
And you got that John boy lead out here. Hey, bad boy. You got that kind of big and John boy laid out here around San Diego, Cal. All right, I want to read the mail, man. Probably shut this gate off, 38-minute gate. It'll be the Drop Them All Monday Gate 2012. This is the first gate I've done since the new year. Bad boy. Take care. Doorknob, Music City, you take care too. John Denver, the King of California, is rocking this mail, and I'm gone.
Good copy. Put that on your gate, huh? Hey, John Denver, 25 at Georgia's in the waiting room. I'm gone.
Wave 25. Hey, 25 in Georgia, 2012 wave. John Denver said hello.
I just wanted to stick my head in the window, mate. Just wanted to stick my head in the window and wave my hand. 2012. Little P, 25 is quiet. I left you to shut that gate down.
And I'm going to say a 2012 wave right back, man. Hey, 25, I'm going to say a 2012 wave right back. I'm going to get out the middle of the road and shut the gate down. I'll start another one here in a little while. I got to go pick up the kids here in a little while. Take care, 25 in Georgia, John Denver, King of California, in the patio control. Just on 21 MOSFETs, doing about 1,500 watts. I'm out.
Radio check, radio check, radio check. I want to see if old Burger Man can get him another radio check. Radio check, radio check. Oh, Burger Man, get on now. Good work, that's pretty good. Good night. Radio check, radio check. Burger time, getting on now. Great, 2012, put on you later. 25, way down south, all kinds of Georgia. Radio check, Burger Man.
10 Roger on that 25, boy, I only heard some of that. That got big and cheeseburger keying down, cutting your radio off, man. Hey, 25, I heard some of that, man. That got big and burger, man, keying up, cutting your radio off. He up there around the bluegrass, man. He got the barbecue going. Looks like he about to barbecue some mud ducks and cook some cheeseburgers. John Denver's gone.
Hey, John Denver, you tell them mud ducks to go ahead. They got their green light now. I'm getting on down. John Denver, can you say 29? John Denver, 29. John Denver, 29. I'm going to start Tucker the green light. I'm getting on out of here.
Don't worry, I was waiting on him. I was just waiting on 289 in the bayou. He want to wave a hand too. But that guy big a cheeseburger, that man, he keyed down, cut all you off again. And he said, hey, John Denver, tell them all the green light's on. Hey, John Denver, tell them all the green light's on. Then I waited and hesitated. He keyed back up and cut you guys off again. And he said, the green light's on. Now, is the green light on or is the green light on? Now, if you keep keying up, the green light's not on, the yellow light's on. Cheeseburger, John Denver's gone. I think that was 25. You want me to ask old Cheeseburger if he can hold? If he keys down, he'd cut your radio off. Hey, 25. If that duck-looking Cheeseburger keyed down, he'd cut your radio off. He said you guys can have the green light. You don't want to be talking about his ass. He'll keep back again going, radio check, don't hate the antenna, don't hate the game, hate the antenna. Burger Man, and I'm getting on down.
Hello, my brother. I've got to get under the house. Hey, John Denver, I'm going to be nice if I want you to give us a green light. Hey, John Denver, they want to get out there and mount around after I gave them the green light. Let me get on that way. Hey, John Denver, radio check, radio check.
Guys ever been in a school fight? You guys ever been in elementary school, high school, any of those schools? Back in the day? They got a black eye in the fight. That guy big a cheeseburger out there giving your asses black eyes, man. And they don't feel good, man. I mean, what's the remedy of a black eye? Think about it, man. You have to have a duck plug and zucchinis over your eyes to get rid of them black eyes you guys be getting because of cheeseburger. John Denver's gone. much, man. Cheeseburger out there tearing everybody up, man. Hey, bad boy, Cheeseburger out there tearing everybody up. Bad boy, you didn't miss a thing. But this time, you might be tearing Cheeseburger up. But he gave everybody the green light. He was giving everybody black eyes. Bad boy, I'm going to shut this gate and restart it. I'm gone.